Okay, now I've done that little check-in with Amy, there's some things I want to tell you about what's next, because that is just the first step in understanding and creating an alignment with your values. Because the alignment is what comes next. Now you've identified where you want to be, it's the alignment that comes next. And I wrote this out in 3 little like mathematical formulas. I'm right into maths and I'm right into spreadsheets, even though I'm a little bit on the woo-woo scale. Yeah. Value plus choice equals alignment. So if you know your values and you make a choice in line with your values, you will be living in alignment. If you know your values, when you set your goals, you'll be living in alignment. Yeah? And if you know your values, when you are choosing what to commit to, you will also be living in alignment. And like I said, I'm now looking for 5 women who want to join the 3P system. Got some room for everybody to come in and join in with this. In order to join the program, the basic requirements for you are that you are a people pleaser, that you know that there's something missing. Yeah. If there's something missing, then let's have a talk and see whether what I've got for you is the thing that's missing. And if all of those things line up, you need to be ready to do the work. I am a somatic coach, which means of the body, and that's of my body and of your body. So I'll need to see you face to face. You'll need to do the work. You'll need to talk to me. You need to step up. You need to ask questions. Because if I were to give you advice or give you a solution, yeah, that solution probably worked great for me because it's my solution and it's my advice. But in order for it to work for you, we need to work together so that I can give you advice, see how your body reacts, swap, change, lean, push, pull, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to sign off now by saying that if you can't find this 2-page PDF in the group, drop me a message, let me know. I will send it to you directly. I will be putting it in the group straight after this recording. But now I've done a stop and start in the middle of my recording instead of a pause, which is what I should have done. It might take me a day to figure out how to stitch these 2 bits back together again. Or I might just post this as a separate bit in a comment. I don't know. Depends. If I start fighting with video software and it proves too difficult, I may put this little bit in the comments as another link over to YouTube where I host these things. Okay, so it's been lovely to work with you. One last call. Do you have any questions, Amy?
No.
No, you're good. Okay, well, you know where to find me if anything crops up. It's been lovely spending time with you. I've got 16 minutes before my next call. So I'm going to go and stand out on the grass with some fizzy water. I finally managed to find someone who was going to sell me a SodaStream canister for a reasonable amount of money. Yeah. Love me some SodaStream. But anyway, I'm off for now. I shall see you all again soon. Bye-bye.